In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix file upload problems in Google Drive. So let's dive right into the steps and explore how to overcome this common issue, ensuring a smooth and frustration-free experience with your Drive uploads. When you're having trouble uploading files to Google Drive, the first step is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or inconsistent connection can often be the root cause of upload issues. If you're experiencing connectivity problems, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection for more stability. Next, it's important to verify that you are using a supported browser to access Google Drive. Google Drive generally works well with Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, so make sure your browser is up to date. Older versions might not support all the functionalities Google Drive offers, potentially leading to upload difficulties. If there's an update available for your browser, install it, then restart the browser to try your upload again. If your uploads are still failing, clearing your browser cache might help. Cached files can sometimes interfere with your Google Drive's operations. Clearing cache in Chrome, for instance, would involve going into the settings, finding the Clear Browsing Data option, and selecting cached images and files. Keep in mind that this process might look slightly different depending on the browser you are using, but it's a similar concept across the board. Don't worry, clearing your cache will not delete your saved passwords or bookmarks. Sometimes, browser extensions can also conflict with Google Drive operations. If you're using extensions in your browser, try disabling them temporarily. To do this, go to the Extensions or Add-ons section of your browser settings and toggle off the ones you think might be causing trouble. If the issues resolve when extensions are disabled, re-enable them one at a time to identify and remove the problematic one. Let's not overlook the role of security software. Firewalls or antivirus settings might block the upload process. If altering these settings is within your skill set, make sure that Google Drive is whitelisted or try temporarily disabling these features to see if your uploads start working. Lastly, ensure there is enough storage space available on your Google Drive. Google Drive offers a limited amount of free storage, and exceeding this limit can prevent new files from being uploaded. You can check your available storage from your Google Drive homepage, where it usually displays how much space you've used at the bottom left corner. If you're running low on space, consider deleting unused files or upgrading your storage plan. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to solving any file upload issues you encounter on Google Drive. Hopefully, this guide makes your Google Drive experience more seamless and productive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips like these.